Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to enable assistant to a power button on Motorola A15. Firstly, hop into settings. Now scroll down and go into gestures. Now scroll down once again and go into press and hold power button. Now make sure that this one is selected for digital assistant. And now after pressing and holding down the power button, digital assistant is going to be activated. But if you would like to still access the power menu, all you have to do is just press the power button and volume up button at the same time. Yeah, volume up or volume down, volume up. Oh yeah, so it works. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.